AfriForum has written letters to the various countries that will be participating in the G20. In these letters, we ask the countries to play a constructive role, to urge the South African government to protect property rights, but also to tackle farm murders. We know it is in the interest of the G20 countries that property rights in the country should be protected, because they have companies and individual citizens that have investments in the country. In the process, they will also be helping ordinary South Africans, because we know disrespect for property rights harms everybody, as we've seen in Zimbabwe. That is why we asked them to request the South African government to scrap Section 12.3 of the Expropriation Act. That allows for expropriation without compensation. We also asked them to urge President Ramaphosa to condemn the Kill the Boer chant that calls for ethnic violence. We also asked them to urge the government to declare farm murders a priority crime, as is the case with many other categories of crime in the country.